Have you ever noticed how complex human relationships or abstract ideas sometimes get treated as if they were simple, tangible objects or forces, as if they have a life of their own? It is a fascinating phenomenon that shapes much of our modern world. In capitalist society, reification refers to the process where abstract social relationships and human activities become perceived as objective, natural, and independent things, often obscuring their true social origins. Essentially, it is when we mistake a human-made concept or social construct for an unchangeable natural reality, stripping it of its dynamic human character. The core reason this happens in capitalism stems from the way goods and services are produced and exchanged. Under capitalism, social relations are primarily mediated through commodities and money. Instead of direct interaction between people as producers, their labor and products take on an alienated form. This mediation makes it seem as though the market, economic laws, or the commodities themselves possess inherent powers and characteristics, rather than being the result of specific human social arrangements and historical conditions. This masks the underlying power dynamics and human agency involved. To understand reification in practice, consider how we talk about the economy or market forces. We often speak of the economy as if it were a natural phenomenon, separate from human action, or market forces as an irresistible objective power dictating our lives. This reifies the economy, treating it as an independent entity with its own will, rather than a system composed of countless human decisions, policies, and social structures. Similarly, money itself can be reified, seen as having intrinsic value and power, rather than being a social convention that facilitates exchange. Another compelling example is the concept of human capital. While it helps to analyze skills and education, it can inadvertently reify individuals into mere economic inputs, reducing their multifaceted human essence to a quantifiable asset. This perspective can subtly shift our understanding of education, for instance, from a pursuit of knowledge and personal growth to primarily an investment in future earnings, overlooking broader social and developmental aspects. Recognizing reification is not about denying the existence of markets or money, but about understanding that these are human creations that can be critically examined and potentially reshaped. It encourages us to look beyond the seemingly natural appearance of social structures to uncover the human agency and power relations that construct them. By doing so, we can challenge the idea that current social and economic arrangements are inevitable or unchangeable, opening up possibilities for alternative ways of organizing our society.